Today we're going to talk about the process of decanting wine. Now, to many of you who are casual wine drinkers, the process may sound unfamiliar to you, but I'm here to describe exactly what that is and why it can benefit your wine tasting experience. So why should you decant wine? Decanting wine can have different benefits depending on if it's an aged wine or a younger wine. If you're dealing with an aged wine, the benefit of decanting the wine is it gets out the sediments that are at the bottom of that bottle. So the bottle may have been sitting around for 10 or longer years, and you don't even realize there's sediment at the bottom of the bottle that's just sitting there. So it's been compressed all that time, so whenever you decant it, you're removing out that sediment and you're getting a better taste of your wine. So you'll really get that aroma and that flavor when you pour it out into a glass. Now be aware, you don't want to do this process if the wine is 15 years or older. The reason being is when you're dealing with older wines, it can be fragile. So you really don't want to affect the taste in that regard. You just want to be able to savor the taste of the wine that you have stored for that many years. When dealing with younger wines, you do want to do the decanting process. It does add a greater flavor to the wine bottle. And there are different ways of handling it if it's an older wine or a younger wine. And I'm going to explain that to you right now. For the decanting process, what you'll want to have is a carafe. So what I have here is a Swoon carafe made by Decant. And I'll put the details of this accessory in the information section of this video. So what you'll want to do is you'll grab your wine bottle. What I have here is a younger wine. So I had mentioned before that the process will be different for an older and a younger wine bottle. So I'm going to explain the older wine since I don't have that available to me right now. So with the older wine, you want to make sure when you're pouring into the carafe that you're looking for the sediment coming to the neck of the bottle. Because you don't want the sediment to actually get into the carafe so it won't affect the flavor of your wine. Because the wine has been sitting for so long that it can become bitter. So before you actually go into the process of actually pouring that wine, you want to make sure that the bottle is sitting upright for about 24 to 36 hours.